Y para alguno con historia las totxaplen, kanalera ongi etorri berri termina aventura hauetara eta saiatuko gara Kerilia hogeita hamargarren nivelera egotzen dugun eta gero joan gara beste pertsoniak igotze eta beste guanean botekin pasatu nahi gara genuen mapa bat misio bat hori garratuko Kerilekin garren erantzeko hori behar izan zuen partidu lehenengo Kerilian ekin jolastu dugu gero beste batzu lehenengo Kerilian ez da pentsatu gara gutxiko Kerilian arte hor gutza egun gainera pentsatu ere bueno, hori potxarekin, lehenengo zentut botekin jolastu, hola?
Friends! We tell them to keep it down. I can't work under these conditions.
You heard her. Never cross an honest. I don't want to hurry you, but we've got problems.
You know what I think, Bardin?
Do I know what an elf thinks? No one does.
I don't think you really are searching for Carrickzorn.
Preposterous! You don't know what you say.
Don't I? You forget. I've observed your search for some time now.
Spying, is it?
I'm hearing rumors of something nasty creeping through Bergenhafen. It starts out as plague and gets worse from there. Demon plants and tentacles, if that sounds familiar. If it doesn't, you ain't been paying attention, have you? My contacts reckon it started in the Pit, the town's poorest district. So do me a solid and get it stopped, would you?
Loner was right. There's a plague in this place. I can smell it from here.
No mystery with plague oozes out of a slum. Still, can't hurt to ask a few questions of this Black Hook gang.
They'll be hiding, but we'll find them. And then, they'll talk. Are you sleepy?
Blood everywhere! And another one's gone! Heads down, Dory! Yes,
Sure that wasn't what it means to mess with us?
Eyes open, eyes loose. Straight to the rack.
Come!
Put head down.
Grab a doorway and a shield! Put them to you! Get behind!
See that? Assassin's coming.
There's another blue sign.
Goddamn demon!
Festivals stopping about.
What are you waiting for, Lumberfist? Up the ladder!
For a son of Sigma and the Empire.
Wish we were over there. Then again, so do most of the poor.
Follow! I know the way.
Up we go! More infection!
Here they come. Assassin Skaven slaver.
Light through!
Got to run us down.
I need ammunition! Those who live here would be better off dead. Clean vermin, the worst of their kind!
Ricky, right here!
Seek!
Feel no pain! Cousin up, he says!
That's a leech.
Blimey, it's exciting hereabouts, isn't it, sir?
The world seethes with challenge for righteous souls.
No, I don't mind that, sir. Just wish it'd leave me alone for a bit, if you follow.
Which would you prefer? The challenges posed by the world, or those I would set you if you showed weakness?
Ah. Do you need an answer right away, or can I think of it?
You think to out-shoot a daughter of Lorraine?
We must fight at our end now.
Strike them down!
Down it is.
deeper we go, the worse it gets. It's well made.
Look out! Whoa!
My God! Battery!
Lumberfoots, can you not see? This is the path.
Righteousness! Do not fail me now! You're wounded, sir!
I'm just saying that if we all had fancy magic swords like his, we'd sort the Northlanders out in no time. But then, he'd have fewer hats, wouldn't he?
We annoyed him, Dory. Can hit kill.
May I remind you, you are not invincible, One?
Stand up! Stay back or shatter! Dory! Yeah.
May I remind you, you are not invincible, Dwarf?
Healing draft.
Well, let's hope this works.
The rattle of a Skaven gunner. Hurry! This way!
By Sigmar and the Hammer, I judge you all.
Ash,
That's
poison.
no natural flame.
The what fire thrower to deal with.
The gunner's dead.
Impressive, Thorexon! But wipe that
Someone give me a free! I'll give you one for free! That's right, Stormer.
It's this way! That sorcerer! He's warping the winds! The Blight Storm is finished! For Lilius!
This is where we stand, and they fall.
Up the steps, Mayfly! You're a doctor.
Right, Dory, get it off me! I fight on! For the last!
More bloodless than usual, One-Eye. You can hide a second down in the Swaller, let alone a bandit lair. There is no escape.
A little black powder goes a long way.
Some potion lent me vigor.
Oh, here we go again. She's wasting our healing.
Our healing! I was carrying it.
You all heard that, right? Can't believe how we let her get away with it all.
Alright.
Here, ammunition.
This food, it seethes with hidden corruption.
Branded for quality, folk, Dory. The real problem's in the main town. More of them coming. Let's teach them some manners.
They come gladly to their deaths, do they not?
Hold the line, mate. Fall back! I smash your heathen soul!
Can't lie, not feeling great.
You need aid, Kruber. Here they come.
They're
reckon I'm done for.
You shall not die, Cora! I forbid it!
Can't fault you bigger, Tory. There's always bloody more of them in there.
He's blood run!
Satan told you to back.
Cannot hide!
Together! Send the buggers back into the field! Here to find me head to boat.
This way! Onward!
You need your wounds binding, Saltspire.
And you, Elfhand!
That shot was acceptable.
That's the Chaos Warrior done.
Anyone have some healing? Or an arm they ain't using?
You're as bad as Cousin Ockery. Accept some help, Azungi.
See the bridge, mayflies.
Yes, meat.
Down these stairs. Bandages. Filthy, of course. Hush, you're yelping, Kruber.
Stand clear of that cover! That's plain. They bring warp fire to the battle.
A plague of plague monks comes for us, mayflies. Seek.
Looks like we're heading downwards.
Have a cap. Shield that.
Speed archers! Speed arrows! I die. Return me to the soil. The weave calls me back.
Well, looks like our elf isn't as eternal as we thought.
This is the door.
Right. How do I tie this bandage off? Make no delay. The pit empties on our heels.
Good kill, sir. But keep your elbow up. Your guard's open. You dare!
And you, over.
Necesito follow con la que sí. Es a nivel estilo. gerilan erabiltzen Mercedesetan. Ez. Partida bat gerilanekin bagetik eskatzen du.
Listen, the town of Usingen's a smouldering ruin, and from what we gather, the Rotbloods are using the Baron's Manor as a storehouse for all the grain and loot they've pillaged. Your job is to blow the manor sky high, and do it soon, because there's an army of those sick buggers on their way to collect their spoils. You'll need black powder, and you'll find it in a mining emporium close to the manor.
Dark times breed strange alliances. So much destruction.
Alright.
The Maze Light knows how to strike!
Didn't get inside in time. Not that it was good by the look of things. Fuck! Through my armor!
Healer drop right here.
I hear him. Right, Stormer.
The face, Gruber.
Wait that.
You stink stronger than you strike. Go on, hit me harder. This place could have used us before, Dory. We'll make it up as best we can.
That Blight Stormer is the source of this. Here! It's through here!
Look at him run! Watch him die!
Where's the Silas Doobie? Quick to phase him.
Feels good, using fire to starve them out.
Shame you couldn't set it burning by yourself, Saren.
You want to see me explode, Father? I had a gaggle of enemies to fight.
There's an assassin close by. Here, have a bomb.
We've slain an assassin.
Down here, Glaikit mayflies.
Listen.
There is no escape. We need to please find the manor and get back into the fresh air. Stairs, Lumberfoot!
Bring Belati. I'm a bit banged up.
Bardin, it's time to heal. Up the steps.
We've a fight on our hands now! Doctor, he controls the wind!
The light stormer will work.
Fine, so that's how it is. Wish we could stay. Hand out a little more suffering of our own, Dory.
Hey, down the cellar! Trust me, darlings. Rollers? How have the barbarians not drunk this place dry?
Manor house in sight, mayflies.
Yeah, lightly.
The wheel calls me back.
Help, you look better! A lot better!
There's a gas racky somewhere close by.
Lightleaf is dead.
Yeah. Grenadiers, get some.
You don't often see savagery like this.
Right through. doorways. Find a way around the wall. I hear the Pale Queen.
You're a bit bloody, Elf.
We're up there. Roasting. Fire's a spare business. Kill the driver. Ammunition here.
Gunrat!
Ammunition stash.
Oh, hope I'm drinking! Praise be to the lady for relief from our wounds.
The Ratling breathed his last. This doorway! Move! Mayfly brains, they've wandered off again. Take that eyes! Ha! Lucky swing! I am lost beyond words.
Half dead, Carillion.
Stay alert for gunners, mayflies. Strike them down!
Fight them together. Stay close.
Hearts full to bursting. Give it a good push, Lumberboots.
Right in the trail, Goldie. You're unstoppable.
You've talent, wizard. My sister can teach you a thing or two.
You make a trip to the forest realm sound so foolish.
Oh, here. Back up this, Goldie.
Do you want me to leave you behind? This the door.
Come on then, we'll have ya!
Down ahead.
This door may fight. Lumbergood, can you not see? This is the path. This way, onwards.
Come on the right.
The portal awaits, mayflies. I wonder what mess Loner has planned for us next.
Oh, they're on the attack now!
She's a turret in right here.
Run, darlings!
Thanks for drilling my lantern. Long on enthusiasm. Good luck experience.
So, about time.
So much more honest than strength.
Only what?
I might have burned down Miragliano's old quarters collection on a debt. Welcome there, and
Don't think why.
Vale, bakerinekin aurrera. Asunto bat izango. A ver. Beste pertsona era txoma dugu, ba, jarriko dugu. Helburua zen, gerialekin 30. nivelera heltzea, heldu gara. Beraz, orain beste pertsona bat sartu da.
You know what I think, Varden?
Kruber, when you get a chance, would you mind casting an So, there's no sign of Drachenfels himself, which is either a good thing or inevitable, depending on how close you cleave to rumour. Nevertheless, you have unearthed a sorcerer with a filthy penchant for cavorting with demons. I don't have to tell you what to do about our fat little friend, do I?
Keep cool heads, Dory. We don't want to go charging into a trap.
If you say so, I don't intend to fail. Seize the moment, Flies. You have so few left.
The door's open. That's unexpected. Is anyone else hearing voices? Whispering like... You reckon we can follow that muck to the Krutazdomi, Dory? Should have seen that one coming. Rider! We must fight to our hands now!
Another warrior comes for us. Double it.
Rider, stop!
I can't fight much longer.
Where is your vile patron now, Chaos Warrior?
You reckon you can catch a glory with that?
No sorrow, dead Packmaster.
Gas rat, watch for the throw.
Ammunition, Gory!
Draw the hook rat.
Over this way, Dringbarazzi. So, what's Paragon like?
You've never been.
Only time I've been to Britannia was while campaigning.
Really? Me too. We should compare notes.
Never pass this war! Holy purpose guides you! Yes, Sonic, let the blood flow!
Fire thrower!
War thunder!
Assassin! You do holy work, Elf. Do not relent. On you slay!
Well, I guide my step. I think it's this way.
Down that bonfire before your burn!
Oh, lovely. Aren't these parries are excellent?
Get in there!
That's a gas rat.
Stairs, Lumberfoot! So, One Eye, if Constant Drachenfels is a myth, why does speaking of him bother you so?
There are horrors enough, without inventing more.
Aye, that makes a good excuse. It might even stop people believing and
I think the conversation Thank you.
Dead, not alive.
another kill! See me flies! That's how it's done! Time for a potion.
Must you keep jumping? Have some decorum.
Ha! Dead hand! Like the shawl.
are, mates. Healing supplies. Hold up. I'm feeling a touch out of sorts. This way!
These stairs go up! Those are some nasty hunks of stone, Dory.
Listen, assassin!
I recognize the cut.
Skaven slaver! Strangler's dead!
There's so many of them!
Transport your bigger, Dory! Stay close to me, I see the path! Dory! Ah, you're a gas rat!
That wind blew straight from the full spear. That's clear! Blood fire!
Dead! Kill the hot rat!
Here,
see that?
stand ready!
Be around! Reckon I can take things a little easy?
That's nothing. Just training, that's all. Besides, couldn't do it without you.
Hush! Can't you hear more coming? Drawn to the size of your swollen egos.
Keep a sharp watch, Bardin. I'm relying on you to warn me of any more traps.
Aye, I'll do that. But I reckon there's more magic than machine about this castle.
No, don't worry. I'm keeping a sharp watch, too.
Stairs, Mayflies, stairs!
Chaos Warrior! He's a gross one!
Rottels won't bother us now. Warn me before you pull that switch, yeah?
Ooh, a secret door! Now, will we need mournful hops or some mad laughter? I never thought I'd be glad to be back in the castle.
That rasping breath! A gas rat! Kill that globadier!
There's assassin!
It's a damn Kasaki doom, that's what it is! Dory!
Time to heal, Dwarf. Or not.
You have strength yet?
Cease your mooning, Dwarf.
Not yet. Not yet.
Bardin, it's time to heal. Your aim stinks like a midden mob. Can't feel my hands. I need healing.
Catch that!
Darling.
The way through.
good.
Need hands getting up!
Sienna's down! Strong enough for another round, wizard? Up you get, Saren! Floating bloody right!
Not sure this will do this much blood.
Looks like it can fall at any minute, sir! Listen, Dory! Chaos warriors! Over here! Quickly now!
Look at that armored troop. We're blatant sense.
A doorway propping up an Elgie. First hand. Hold on.
This way! Onward! Heretics left to burn.
Grumley's beard, a chaos warrior!
Lord Scythe has claimed the Chaos Warrior!
Anyone need a healing draft?
Was this different? Last we strode.
Killed many demonologists, have you, sir?
More than my share, but never enough.
Oh, foul abomination! Break it down! Storm sorcerer! I think it's this way. Goes do me, soul-drinking wassock. That's the price, Stormerfield. Pick up your friends, the bloody Sigmar! Kill that spawn! Holy justice!
Feeding. Gods.
You're a bit bloody, elf!
The elf is gone!
Coming through! Fight it! It's not getting loose! That's right, leave that dwarf behind you. There's a gas racky somewhere close by. Run, Wossex! It's going to explode! Come on, Dory.
It's an ammunition stash! Spread out! One of us has to reach that light stormer.
That sorcerer must die if the...
Yeah, that bloody earth!
Anyone have some healing? Or an arm they are using?
Tend your wounds, Zungi! Can't fight if you're dead!
The sorcerer commands the boss. Kill him!
That sounds like a bastard. Sorcerer can't hide forever, mate.
With this shot, I abjure thee! I'd have thought this would make a good border fortress for the Empire.
Perhaps it might, but for its reputation, even if we purged every stone, no garrison would sleep well.
Come on, Tree Elder, stand up!
Be more careful, Garrickson. Any further off course and we'll all be dead.
Let my shield take the front, Stringberati! Stringberati! I'm a bit backed up! Kill that fire!
Let the shield take their blows.
Cannot fight!
You think pain will stop me?
This is the door.
A war thrower! Kill the Christ! Try the eyes! See that? With the Zungi around, reckon I can take things a little easier. Right your way, yes?
Lost your wits at last?
Hey!
The transgressions of the faithless must be punished.
Great wench! Please no more! Zilla's doomy! Bothersome son of a gun!
Did I hear you say you'd seen Drakenfeld back in Paragon?
I need a moment. Can you not taste the poison of the wind?
How about work?
Anyone need medicine?
Blessed Sigma, shelter me! Didn't catch that, Dory. Stop it!
Isn't this the way to the throne?
Lightstormer, I warned you!
The backstabber is slain! Right hammer! Black Stormer! Get his chance! I can do this all day!
So what?
Hey, did you speak?
That's a bong and no mistake. I reckon we found it.
A Zungi? No way, Scrat!
What? Oh, it looked worse than it was.
No wonder your empire's on its knees.
This shall redouble my zeal.
Beg Nurgle for eternal mercy, and he may be pleased to grant a quick death.
Big bird. Have you asked him to back 'em up?
Kill them!
She does like to now!
skill, boasting our valor.
Is it too much to ask for a woman's respite?
Reckon I'm done for. Take more care, Azuki. Help Gruber up, will ya? Not through yet.
You're bleeding all over. Do something about this.
So, there's no sign of Drachenfels himself, which is either a good thing or inevitable, depending on how close you cleave to rumour. Nevertheless, you have unearthed a sorcerer with a filthy penchant for cavorting with demons. I don't have to tell you what to do about our fat little friend, do I?
Our quarry has gone to ground in an ill-fated lair. We need to be careful.
Sigma has written. We will triumph!
Dark time? Strange alliances.
Could they show their intent to trap more plainly? Tempting, Sigma! Our quarry leaves a trail a blind man could follow.
So, One Eye, if Constant Drachenfels is a myth, why does speaking of him bother you so?
There are horrors enough in this world, without inventing more.
Aye, that makes a good excuse. It might even stop people believing and following his example. For a time. Until he returns.
I think this conversation has reached its conclusion. Don't you?
I knew this was going to happen. I thought.
Everyone at once! Found a Chaos Warrior!
Joy! To this, Roma! Aim at his head! Strangle a rat! You sacrifice!
So, are you heading back upstairs, or...? Packmaster's dead!
The Ratling's gonna die!
Here, ammunition.
Let's make it a contest! Kill them all to win!
Strike him down!
You might just be good at this story! I know that sound. This scares, go up!
Something wrong. Blade box incoming.
Up the steps, Mayflies. Do you remember when you were here before? Wasn't it fun?
I'll sear that gunner to ash! Keep a sharp watch, Bardin. I'm relying on you to warn me of any more.
Aye, I'll do that.
No, don't worry. I'm keeping a sharp watch too.
Face it together, stay close. Blood everywhere, and another one's gone.
Luminaire! Bring it down!
Looks like Cerulean managed to get a murder today. All good?
This way! Onward! No! Go away!
Say what?
Take what ammunition you can.
A rabbit with a shield! Ha!
Can't feel my hands. I need healing.
You look fit to collapse, Sarah. Try to stop me. Chuck in a bomb.
Always works, that.
Is that another trap switch? I sense a bouvier.
Here we go. Back in the car. Eat my steel, gas rat.
What an odd taste.
That clunky brute can't fool my ears.
Some of this looks a little bit
Bloody hell, we've only got to killed him. You see that? With the zombie around, reckon I can take things a little easier.
Please, no.
What was that? Fire and ash! We'll kill them all!
How do we get through
How many times a night do you long to burn them all just because you can? You've done it before.
Can't hear you. Is that a troll in there, Rank? Through here!
Shall we face them together?
You'll pull through, Dwarf.
I am lost.
Bloody right hammer!
I'm a real red hot move, darling. Needs out better.
I bet you wish you were at the Jade Solid.
That troll gave you a fight, but
Yeah, not enough of one. I'm happy to report.
Lilith. Lilith, preserve me.
Didn't catch that.
The healing glass here. Hold on, let me drink this.
Did you see the size of those spider webs?
Light leech lurking at me, flies.
That rasping breath. A gas rat.
over here, throwing.
Here, clap your ears on that. I reckon it's a fire rat.
So what?
Everything all right, darling?
Fire rat's dead.
Ah! Another light leech! Ah, praise the comet! Ammunition!
Rot take you!
Blightstormer! Kill that flabby fiend!
If I die, return me to the soil. Feeding the gods.
You're a bit bloody hell. One for that doctor.
Take that eyes.
Right, leave me alone.
We must take through! That's an order!